So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install OrangeFox Recovery R11.1 for Android 12 Plus. So the prerequisites are you need an unlock bootloader, you need to be in MIUI or any other custom ROMs, and the change logs for this recovery is support for EROFS and update for Manchester K40 to V25.2, and this release only supports Android 12 Plus ROM. So if you installed an Android 11 ROMs, it's not gonna boot. So I'll be telling you how to install it from fastboot. So connect your phone to the PC with the cable provided by Xiaomi and then reboot your phone into fastboot by clicking on power off and keep on pressing your power and volume down button for your phone to get booted into fastboot mode. And once your phone is in fastboot mode, in your PC, go into your platform tools folder and open cmd-dar and type fastboot devices. And well, if it shows this, that means your phone is directed in fastboot. And now open the OrangeFox recovery zip, which is linked in description, and extract the recovery.image from the zip. And now you can close the zip, and here you need to type fastboot root and drag and drop the image file you just extracted and click on enter. Once it says finish total time, that means your phone will automatically reboot into the OrangeFox recovery, so please wait. So enter your password, and this recovery supports decryption, and this is the previous theme I had. So this is in black and blue color, but defaultly it will be in gray and orange, I think. So now once you have installed your recovery, you have just booted your recovery. So to make it permanent, you can flash the actual zip. So once you can flash the zip, which will reboot you into recovery. So that's kind of waste of time. So you can go into menu, click on more and scroll down, click on flash current OrangeFox, which will flash the current recovery in your phone. So well, it says image flash completed, and then we receive a message saying if your device is previously rooted and the root access has been overwritten and you'll need to reinstall root access. So we will be doing that right now. Click on Fox add-ons and click on install Magis 25.2 and click on install if you want root. So this was it for flashing the root access if you wanted. And now how to install OrangeFox recovery if you were in TWRP, or how to update it. It's too easy. Just go and just flash the OrangeFox zip which you had downloaded, and that's it. Your OrangeFox will be installed if you're in TWRP or you're just updating it. So that is all for this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.